Good morning. I'm going to create a short video to show you how to access the videos every week, okay? So make sure you are following along. You don't have to pull up Teams. I just want you to watch and listen, okay? So I'm going to go to Teams. And this is going to be the same for all of your classes. I'm going to click on our class. This is our general section. This is where some of you have asked questions. I've responded. This is where I will put announcements for the week. Now, this is where you should be today. Week 1, March 30th, start here. This is where we are today, all right? Now, if you cannot see this post, then please let me know because everyone should be able to see this post. This is where our first video is. I just click on it. And it takes me to the YouTube video, okay? Now, if you do not have access to this, let's go back to week 1. There's another tab at the top. I'm going to click that. And then there's a simple lesson 1 title right there. Go ahead and click that. And it should take you to my stream account. Yeah, there they are. Okay, so this is our video for today. This was my welcome back, and this is another guide to Teams that I posted last week. So this is where you need to be, okay? So if you click on it, it'll automatically play the video. Now, going back to week 1. Now, on this link, this tab right here, this is where I'm going to post the daily video every time. And if you click this little conversation, the question will pop up right here. And it's going to be a question, a little like a silly question, that tells me if you are really paying attention. So, the way you will answer this question is you will select your answer and click Submit Vote, and I can see the results. Okay? Now, if you cannot see this, then please let me know. I will have to figure out a different way to post my questions. That way everybody has access to it. So remember, if you come to this tab and you don't see this conversation bar, make sure you click on it. Because this is where you can leave your thumbs up like the student did. This is also where you can ask a question. And this is also the place where I can ask you a question, okay? So if you still don't have access after looking at this tab or this tab, please let me know. You should have access to both if you are logged on to Teams. I hope this is helpful.